Hi everyone, the small engine mechanic here. Today we are going to be changing the drive belt on this Toro 22-inch recycler. We will be installing Toro part number 117-1018 drive belt. Since we will be working underneath the mower, we will need to disconnect the spark plug. If you need to lift your mower, lift it from the carburetor side. We will start by removing the lower belt cover. Using a 10 mm socket, remove the two retainer screws. The cover will come off. Now we will need to remove the two screws holding the upper belt cover on. One is located here, and the other is down here. And there we go. Now rotate the mower back to the wheels. There are 3 screws holding the belt retainer on. The 2 inside ones will need to be removed while the outside one just needs to be loosened. To do this, we will need to use a square head bit. In this case we will be using a number 2 bit. Remove the belt from the transmission pulley. Then remove it from the engine pulley. The belt can then be removed without pulling the blade. Easy, right? Installing the new belt is just as easy. Put it over the blade and feed it through the guide hole. Then back on the transmission pulley. Replace the belt guide and screws. Put the belt on the engine pulley. Now we will reinstall the upper cover, making sure the belt goes between the screws. Reinstall the 2 screws. and tighten them. The belt should move freely. Install the lower belt cover. The belt should be between the guides. Reconnect the spark plug wire. Let's start it up and test the drive. Wheels making noise on the wet floor. But it's pulling good now. So, I guess this means
it looks like another one is good to go.